Assalamualaikum and hello guys, my name is Jai.
My name is Nabila.
And hi, my name is Kamari.
We come back
To the channel.
What is financial?
So Kama and Nabila, for today what is the topic that we will like to share with audience?
Hi Jai. Today we would like to share one important topic about financial planning.
But before we start to explain about this topic, let's watch this video first.
Aina, are you okay?
No! My life is messed up. I have a lot of debt that I need to pay within this month. But I cannot make it. What can I do? What must I do? Should I kill myself?
No. Don't do it. Calm yourself and act wisely. Everyone is dealing with different types of financial problems. It is just a matter of how you manage your spendings. In your situation, I think you should apply for personal loan. Personal loan is an unsecured loan taken by individuals from a bank or a non-banking financial company to meet their personal needs. It is provided on the basis of key criteria such as income level, credit and employment history, as well as repayment capacity. It can be used for any personal financial needs and the bank will not monitor its use. It can be utilized for renovating your home, marriage-related expenses, a family vacation, your child's education, meeting unexpected medical expenses, or any other emergencies. Personal loans are also useful when it comes to investing in business, fixing your car, down payment of new house. Personal loan may have helped you in many situations or ways, but it can also be a burden to you when it comes to debt recovery. What is debt recovery? So debt recovery is when a loan, such as a credit card balance, continues to go unpaid and a creditor hires a third party, known as a collection service, to focus on collecting the money. Debt recovery is important because it is directly correlated to your credit score. If you are being contacted by a debt recovery service, it means there is a record that you have defaulted on a loan and currently have delinquencies. These delinquencies get reported to the credit bureaus, damaging your credit score, which could potentially hurt any future loans opportunity of yours. So from here, we know that it is very important for you to have a good credit score, but how can you actually control it? Personal loan may have its own advantages, but it also comes with a list of disadvantages. Do you want to know what the disadvantages and advantages of personal loan? Let's dig in.
So next, I would like to explain about the advantage of personal loan. The first advantage of personal loan is versatile. Unlike a car loan, student loan or mortgage, personal loan can be used for many purposes. The second advantage of personal loan is monthly payments stay at the same. Interest rate on personal loans are fixed, so your payment is the same for every month. The third advantage of personal loan is you can borrow the amount you need. Whether you need a few $1,000s or $100,000, you can find a loan with limits that fit your need. Again, a lot depend on your credit score. Next, loan approval is quick. While mortgage or home equity loan can take at least a month to be closed, it is possible to apply for personal loan and get an answer the next day or within a few days. And if you are approved, the money typically will be deposited into your bank within a few days. The last advantage of personal loan is you have enough time to pay it off. Unlike highly risky payday loan, personal loan gave you reasonable amount of time to repay. Terms can range from a year to 7 years depending on your lender your credit. So next, we go to the disadvantages of personal loans. First disadvantages is personal loans offer higher interest rate than some loans. Personal loan is often advertised at very lower rate, but the rate is usually the best available to applicants with the best credit. Be sure to shop around for best rate. Next, many personal loans come with origination fees of 1% to 6% of the amount borrowed. It covers the cost of processing the loan and is either rolled into the loan or taken out of the amount disbursed to you. If you borrow 10,000 ringgit and your origination fee is 4%, you will pay 400 ringgit. The next disadvantages of personal loan is you may be penalized for paying it off early. This is also known as a prepayment penalty, which is the fee is charged if you retire your balance before the loan term is up. It is something to watch for if you shop around. The fourth disadvantages of personal loan is monthly payment and loan terms are fixed. While fixed monthly payment is good for many borrowers, it will be harder and having as many years as you want to pay off credit cards. If your personal loan payment is 200 ringgit a month for 5 years and you are late or miss payment, the lender of an unsecured loan can sue you. The last disadvantages of personal loan is it can attract scammers. Scams are rampant in the personal loans world. A shady lender might ask you to provide a prepaid debit card, for example, claiming it will be used for loan fee or as collateral. Take every precaution to ensure your lender is legitimate. Check the Better Business Bureau BBB website to see whether a lender is accredited or not. That's all from me.
Everyone with even a little bit of debt has to manage their debt. If not, you will face problems and difficulties in the future. Let me explain to you the steps. The first one is know how much you owe the debt. You need to do list of your debts, including the total amount of debt, the monthly payment, and when you need to pay the debt. Having all debts in front of you will allow you to see the bigger picture and stay aware of your debt. You also must update your list every few months as the total amount of your debt changes. Second is pay your bills on time each month. Late payments make it harder for you to pay the debt as the interest rate, the finance charges are increased. Use a monthly budget to plan expenses is also one of the important steps in managing your debt. Keeping a budget helps to ensure you have enough money to cover all your debts or your monthly expenses. Plan for enough in advance and you can take early action if it looks like you won't have enough money to pay your bills this monthly or next. If you have any extra, then you can pay off your debt more faster.
I think that's all from our group regarding this topic. Thank you for watching until the end.